Okay guys, our topic for today is lesson 1, hypothesis testing. And mag-focus tayo sa dalawa lang guys, and yung null and alternative hypothesis.
Hypothesis testing is used to the plausibility of hypothesis by using sample data. The test provides evidence concerning the plausibility of the hypothesis given data. Statistical analysts test a hypothesis by measuring and examining a random samples of the population being analyzed. Hypothesis is an assumption or conjecture about a population parameter which may or not be true.
So, ibig sabihin, ito yung conclusion na pwede ang mag-result. It may be true or false. So, here are some example na masasagutan natin using hypothesis testing. Jacob, him height in the patio is 5'9". Christy, her weight was not good for her height, and Ginalyn, her weight was not changed from 54 kg. So, ang dalawang example na ito ay pwede nating masolve by using hypothesis testing. So, inuna muna natin ang key concept about null and alternative hypothesis. Kung paano tayo mag-formulate ng null and alternative hypothesis.
The null hypothesis. It is denoted by H sub 0, a statement about a population parameter. It shows no significant difference, no change, nothing happened, no relationship between two parameters. Can include equal sign. Madalas na ginagamit for null hypothesis is the equality sign.
Alternative hypothesis. It is denoted by H sub A or H sub 1, a statement that directly contradicts the null hypothesis. It shows that there is significant differences and effect change relationship between a parameter and a specific value. Can include a non-equal, greater than, or less than sign.
So, mamaya, para mas madali tayo mag-formulate ng null pati alternative hypothesis, tatandaan nyo ang mga word kasi ito yung mga word na pwede nyo may counter at gawin yung clue para mas mabilis nyo ma-formulate ang null and alternative hypothesis. Ano ba ang mga word na madalas gamitin at ano ang sign nito? For null hypothesis, gagamitin natin na symbol ay ang equality or equal sign. And then, kapag na-encounter natin ang mga word na equal to, the same as, not change from, is, ang gagamitin natin na sign is equal sign or equality sign. Alternative hypothesis. So guys, ano nga yung ginagamit natin na symbol or sign sa alternative hypothesis? Diba ng not equal, greater than, pati less than. So guys, pag na-encounter natin ang word na not equal, different from, change from, not the same as, yung symbol or sign na isusulat natin ay not equal guys. Okay? And ito guys, pag greater than, above, higher than, longer than, bigger than, increase, at least, yung symbol na isusulat natin or sign is greater than. Okay guys, and ito guys, pag ang word naman po ay less than, below, lower than, smaller than, shorter than, decrease, or reduce from, at most, ang isusulat naman natin na sign or symbol is yung less than. Madali lang to guys, promise. Basta guys, tandaan nyo lang yung mga word na to. Dahil yung mga word na yan yung mas mapapabilis yung pag-formulate mo ng problem. Okay, for the example, Jacob, him height in the patio is 5'9". So, we gonna state the null and alternative hypothesis for each statement in words and symbol. So guys, ano yung clue natin sa statement number 1? From the word of is. So guys, yung is guys natin makikita guys, diba sa equality sign or equal sign. So, yung equal sign natin ay nakabilang sa null hypothesis. So, this statement will be null hypothesis. So guys, ito na yung sagot natin. The null hypothesis population parameter equals to 5,9. So guys, yung ating alternative ay magiging contradict siya sa ating null. So ang equal ay magiging not equal. So guys, ang mga sagot natin ito. The alternative population parameter is not equal to 5,9. So, naging contradict siya sa ating null hypothesis. Ang equal sign ng null ay magiging is not equal. I have some example pa para mas maintindihan nyo ang null and alternative hypothesis. So guys, kanina ang ginamit natin na pag-formulate ay symbol. Ngayon, ang gagamitin natin ay words. Okay guys, ito yung example number 2 natin. Christy, her weight was not good for her height, and Jenaline, her weight was not changed from 54 kg. Okay guys, for this statement, ano yung clue natin para makuha natin ang null and alternative hypothesis? So guys, from the word of not changed from, ang not changed from natin ay sa equality sign or equal sign. So, nakabilang ulit siya sa ating null hypothesis. So, ang statement na to ay magiging null hypothesis. Okay guys, we'll be using words to formulate this statement. So guys, lagi lang nating tandaan ng null hypothesis ay it shows no significant difference, no change, nothing happened, no relationship between two parameters. So guys, this is our answer for this statement. So, ang ating null hypothesis is Jenaline, her weight was not changed from 54 kg. Okay guys, from the word of not changed from, kaya naging null hypothesis ang ating statement. So, paano naman sa ating alternative? So, yung alternative natin, di ba sinabi ko doon ng una na magiging contradict siya sa ating null. So, kung ito ay not change from, ang ating alternative ay magbabago. So, tatanggalin lang natin ang not at magiging was changed from. So guys, ito ang ating alternative hypothesis. Jenaline, her weight was changed from 54 kg. So, kaya yan, naging contradict lang siya sa ating null. Kaya naging alternative hypothesis. So guys, parang ano lang po siya, parang ganito. Kunwari, yung tama ay babaligtarin natin, gagawin nating mali. Parang ganun yung ating alternative hypothesis. Okay guys, I have here some example pa na masasolve natin by using null and alternative hypothesis.
The teacher recorded a grade of her student in Mercer College. She expected that the grade will be more than 2.25. She requested that next time it will be more than in her expectation.
Okay guys, from this statement, ano yung clue natin para ma-formulate natin ang null or alternative hypothesis?
From the word of more than so, ang more than ay makikita natin sa alternative hypothesis, and ito ay kabilang sa greater than sign. So, we can formulate na this statement. Ida-direct na natin to sa ating alternative hypothesis.
So, the alternative hypothesis, population parameter greater than 2.5. Kaya greater than sign ang ginamit natin kasi from the word of more than, and ang more than natin ay nasa greater than sign. Paano naman kaya ang sa null hypothesis? So, ang null hypothesis pwedeng not more than or less than equal. So, the null hypothesis population parameter is less than or equal to 2.5. Guys, yan na yung pag-formulate natin by using for symbols. And how about in words? Kung nakinig kayo guys, alam nyo na yung sagot by using words. So, sabi ko kanina guys, this statement is alternative hypothesis Kaya i-direct na natin ito agad sa ating alternative hypothesis. So, the alternative hypothesis is the student, she expected the grade will be more than 2.5. And tulad lang din ulit ng sinabi ko kanina na yung null hypothesis natin ay dapat maging equal yung ating null hypothesis. Pwede siya in word less than equal to and pwede not more than. Bahala kayo kung ano yung gusto nyo dyan. So guys, the null hypothesis is the student, she expected the grade will be not more than 2.25. Okay guys, I hope na may natutunan kayo sa aking topic for today. Ganyan lang naman kadali mag-formulate ng null and alternative hypothesis using symbol and words. Okay guys, bago mag-end ang topic na ito, I have one statement na kayo ang magsasagot.